Cold Udon Noodles with green tea. Brew the green tea to bring out its flavor. Slice the cucumber. Cut the lady's finger. Slice the lemon. Remove the shrimp shells. We use Chaochu 2, stock pot 3,500 milliliters. Add water and cook the udon noodles. Drain the udon noodles and soak them in cold water. Cook the lady's finger. Cook some shrimp. Season the brewed tea with soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and sugar. Mix well. Arrange all the prepared ingredients. A low-calorie, refreshing udon dish is ready.